Hey guys, welcome back. Apple has finally launched their long-awaited iPhone SE 2020. The phone was in leaks for the last 6 months and all the leaks were correct. And now as the phone is officially launched by Apple, all the specifications, price are confirmed. And oh boy, this is one of the best low-cost iPhone. And in this video, I will tell you why you should consider iPhone SE over iPhone XR, iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro Max. And there is no doubt that iPhone SE is coming with one of the best chipset in the market with older body and low cost. Now first of all, talking about design of iPhone SE, it comes with iPhone 8 like design, and at the front you are getting a 4.7 inch Retina HD display which is already present in iPhone 11, iPhone XR. And guys, this is not a bad display at all. It is very clear, vibrant, colorful display and very bright. And guys, if you compare this display with iPhone 11 Pro OLED panel, you will get to see a small difference, but that difference is not that much big. You can easily manage with that. And if you are going to upgrade from an older iPhone like iPhone 6 or iPhone 7, you will see a lot of difference because this LCD panel is one of the best LCD panel in the market. And now moving next to camera section, the 2020 iPhone SE is coming with single camera setup at the back, which is a 12 megapixel lens, and it is already present in main camera lens of iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11, iPhone XR, and this is one of the best camera lens in the market. So if you remove the telephoto lens and wide angle lens from the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the left one is the same 12 megapixel sensor. So you are going to get amazing camera results from this smartphone, and it can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second. And at the front you are getting a 7 megapixel front facing camera which is already present in iPhone X, iPhone XS or iPhone XR. Now moving to the heart of iPhone SE, it is coming with Apple's latest A13 Bionic chipset, which is one of the fastest chipset in the market right now, and it is present in Apple's iPhone 11 series. So in the cheapest iPhone you are getting a high-end performance with the older design. Now talking about the RAM and storage options, iPhone SE is coming with 3GB of RAM, 64GB, 128GB and 256GB of storage options. And iPhone SE also supports wireless charging, 18-watt fast charging, but in the box you will get a 5-watt charger. Now some people are against Face ID, they don't like the Face ID, but they like the older Touch ID. So in iPhone SE, Apple solves that problem for you peoples. You are getting a Touch ID plus haptic touch in this smartphone. iPhone SE is also coming with Wi-Fi 6 and IP67 rating, which means it is dust and water resistant. And you are getting 3 color options: black, white and product red. And the starting price is $399 and the pre-orders will start from 17th April. Now all these points were its positive points. Now looking at the negative points, you are getting a older design with big bezels top and bottom and a single camera at the back. Even this is a camera which is present in iPhone XR, iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro Max main camera. And now considering all these things, if this is the first iPhone you are going to buy, this iPhone will never disappoint you with its high-end performance, camera quality and display. And if you are going to upgrade from iPhone 6 or iPhone 7, this is the best smartphone you can buy if your budget is tight. That's it for today's guys. Tell me your thoughts about this smartphone in the comment section. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.